Hello everyone, it's me, Penguin Gamer Pro, or should I say, I'm a robot. So make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Hey there, who are you? Go away. Well, don't listen to him. Anyway, let's get started. Today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Make sure you... Wait, I already told you, didn't I? Something special. Okay. New characters? Ooh, nice. I just want to get my 3 keys right now. Oh, it's that fat boy. He needs to lose some weight. Oh crap, I tripped. And that crazy dog keeps following us like crazy. It's too loud, isn't it? Magnets, just what I needed. Let's go. Aw, crap. What the? I didn't expect that to happen. CTA vehicles. What's that? Do these pink cards hold sand? Then what the heck is that? Oh shoot. Sorry. Sorry, fat boy. I don't expect your chasing. Boing! Boing! My god. Boing! 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 Jesus Christ. Oh crap. Boots. Oh crap, I missed. What the heck? Why are there a bunch of leaves falling down? Yeet. Please tell me how these trains go when they're other trains. Explain to me why. Oh shoot, the fat boy. Go away, LOL. Yes, I have a magnet, just what I needed. But the magnet is not gonna last for long. Haven't I been this place? Then what the heck am I here for? Yes, jackpot. Please let me go. Yay. Oh, thank God. What the heck, I didn't mean to... Oh, crap. Darn it. Boots. Fudge. Boing. Why? I was expecting that to happen. Was that a bird just flying? Ooh, jackpot. Magnets. Eat me. Another magnet. And my high score is 28 more thousand scores. Fudge. What do I get? What the heck? I don't want this. My score was 41,000. Just go any faster. Ugh. I don't know how to surfboard. If you guys are probably gonna ask why aren't you uploading Roblox videos? Well, that's an easy question. Cause the Roblox videos we're gonna be doing it when we come back to school. So no complaints. I don't want to hear. Come on, make a Roblox video. So you're gonna have to wait for another Roblox video, okay? So Don't be impatient. You gotta wait until I tell you, okay? So today I'm gonna do regular videos of gaming, and then when we come back from school, we'll do Roblox. But for now, enjoy the video. Oh crap. Shoot. Let me go, you fat boy. Yay. What the heck? What did I just earn? Collect. 5 keys to be exact. Daily gift. What is it? 800 coins. Oh shoot. Who likes my surfboard? 1 like equals nice. Boing. Whoops. I didn't expect that to happen. Jackpot. What the heck? Fudge. All by myself. I have nobody to be with. Right now I'm on top of a train. Oh shoot. Darn it. Mine! Coins! Give me that. Yes, I got 2. Go under. Ah, I tripped. I almost tripped, I meant. Yay. Yay. Oof. Jump. Ha. He got run. Wait, what the? Is he a ghost? 45 more thousand. Ah. Oh crap, I wanted to go in that big one. Please tell me how these trains come out. Oh shoot. And I don't want to waste my keys on these stupendous, for just reviving me. Let's go. Huh? Oh. Yay. Let's go. So far my score is 26,000. Ow. That was painful. Fudge. I guess 1 will work. But I will save my 4 on something else. Not just this. Let's go. Yay. 31. You got to be joking me. Fine, I guess I bought these keys just to waste them. Jackpot. Oh snap, everything's fast. Oh my god, everything's fast. Please slow this down. And my score is getting faster. Jesus Christ, I'm going dizzy. 15 more thousand. 15,000 more, I meant. Jump. 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 This is getting hard enough. Holds. Well, I guess I have to use the bathroom. Anyway, let's continue. 8,000 more. Darn it. Oof. Oh snap. 5,000. 4. 3. 2. No! I wanted to beat my record. No. I guess. What? This is bullcrap. No way. Is this my high scores? Wait, what? I just beat my old high score? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. And click the notification. Wait, I already told you. So remember, the Roblox video will be coming out very soon when we come back, okay? So, peace.